annual Battleground Public Schools plant and greenhouse sales are coming up soon. Always popular with our community, these events are also a great learning experience for the district's horticulture students.
It's so nice. This is probably like my favorite thing, just walking into the greenhouse and just seeing it filled with like everything.
It just feels really good to plant things and play in the dirt, and you could really see all your efforts and stuff. I don't know, it's like a really prideful feeling.
Students began preparing plants for the sales early in the school year, working with teachers to design hundreds of flowering baskets, plant seeds, and tend to the plants as they grow.
There's pictures of all of the plants, or like majority of the plants. And then we put them on like a spreadsheet.
These are delphinium. We're pretty much just taking them from a smaller container where their roots are probably cramped up and taking off the dead leaves. And then we're moving them to a bigger one so that they can grow out more and flower.
The horticulture and agriculture pathways at Battleground and Prairie High Schools, as well as the Casey Alternative Learning Program, offer students a unique opportunity to dig into gardening, landscaping, and much more.
I don't know what else I would be doing if I didn't do this. It's like the community of the agriculture business, like the teachers and the students alike, are all so very, they're super kind. They're super respective and understanding. And so it's really fun working here.
I think it's amazing that we even have a greenhouse and that people come and buy our plants that kids plant. And I don't know, it's just really sweet that everyone comes together for this.
Proceeds from the annual plant and greenhouse sales help to support the agriculture and horticulture programs. More information about this year's sales is online at battlegroundps.org. We hope to see you at the sales, and thank you for supporting our students and their learning.